And today we're going to be starting off with Jessica. Hi, Jessica.
Hi, Michael. We are making a cocktail to pair with our cheese called Green Hill. I'm from Sweetgrass Dairy. We're located in Southwest Georgia. And our cheese is a double cream cow's milk with a white blooming rind, which lends itself a little bit easier to, I think, summertime cocktails, but I really wanted to play off with some of the wintertime fruits. So we are making what we call the Rebel Alliance. And I did not make this cocktail. This is made by our good friend and mixologist named Tristan Anderson from Atlanta. And it is a gin-based cocktail. So it is 1.5 ounces of Coca Americano. And it is, I'm building it in a mixing glass. And then it's 1 ounce of gin. I'm using Bar Hill gin. It's one of our favorites. We really love the honey notes to it. It's very botanical and not too piney. And a little bit of Leopold Brothers maraschino cherry liqueur. So really giving this really natural, bright cherry fruit flavor to it. And it's 1.5 ounces of Coca Americano, 1 ounce of gin, and 1/2 ounce of maraschino cherry liqueur. So I'm going to mix it here in my mixing glass. And if I had a tall spoon, I'd probably do that better, but you can tell I'm not a bartender. And then I'm gonna strain it right here into a coupe glass and garnish it with this really beautiful lemon peel here. And I've got some different cherry inspired accompaniments here to go with our Green Hill. I've got the Fine Cheese Company toast for cheese with cherries, almonds, and linseeds, some Food for Thought spiced cherry preserves, and then some Amarena cherries in wild cherries and syrup. So all really, really wonderful things to go with Green Hill, and really trying to bring out that seasonal flavor profiles with this really rich double cream cow's milk cheese.
Wow, that was fantastic and very fast. I really love the way that you did that. That was very, very efficient about being able to put your cocktail together. I have to tell you that I've been enjoying Green Hill all day today. I started off this morning with a CBS session, which I used the Green Hill, and I've been literally snacking on it. It was actually my lunch, and it's been my breakfast, and it's been also, at this point, I think it's just going to be my dinner.
Well, thank you. I think, you know, these blooming rinded cheeses are so great during the holidays to, well, if we were normally able to celebrate and get together, they're great on cheese boards and really just, you know, that unctuous, really luxurious texture and lends itself to a lot of different pairings. So how did you have it this morning? On its own or paired with something?
You know, it was, I paired that up with a nice Syrah from Washington and added in a little bit of cherries and fig from the Girl Meets Dirt out in the Pacific Northwest. So it was really fun being able to do that. And of course, I have the Golden Retriever trying to snack on it itself. So
yes,
right.
Well, that sounds delicious. I will have to try Green Hill and cherries and Syrah together as well.
Absolutely, absolutely. All right.